Hi guys, so I'm currently editing vlog number 5. It's currently July 12. Happy birthday Tito Raul. So nagutom kami. We were asleep up until mga 12:30. Nakauwi kami mga around 5 p.m. Fell asleep instantly, woke up at 12:30 a.m. Gutom kami, so we decided to order Food Panda. Order Jollibee sa Food Panda, not order Food Panda. We're gonna eat Jollibee. We ordered what?
Jollibee!
We'll see you guys later kapag dumating na yung food. Goodbye! Yes!
It's here.
Yes!
Time to eat. So hi guys. So ngayon dumating na yung order namin Jollibee. Tara at magmukbang.
Yup!
So
Their
may
gravy is so liit.
so we ordered one peach mango pie.
And peach mango pie.
Again.
Peach mango pie.
Ordering kami ng ube cheese pero wala silang available. Kaya palit na lang. Chicken Joy,
Oh, the katsu?
ketchup. First spelling niya katsup.
I'm sorry. I didn't know. It tastes like Qatar fries.
Wow. First order, Chicken Joy with rice. Just mine. And ang order ni Shaina is palabok.
Yeah.
Late night cravings.
May palabok.
Order din ako ng spaghetti and chicken. Kasi gusto ko matikman yung spaghetti dito. Kasi alam ko masarap spaghetti dito.
Alam ko spaghetti dito matamis.
Drinks namin, syempre, Coke float.
Dapat sana
Kay Shaina, Sprite.
Dapat sana Sarsi.
Let's eat.
They don't want me to drink.
Okay, let's start with our Chicken Joy. Harap na fries nila.
Yeah.
Did you put gravy sa chicken or gravy sa rice?
Gravy sa rice.
Yep. Good job. Me too.
Duh. Because the chicken itself is malasa already.
Try their Coke float. Pero naman lagi in-order ko sa Jollibee, Coke float talaga.
Balat?
Ang masarap. Ikaw, matagal ka din natikim ng Coke float. Try mo.
Oh, sarap.
Sarap, no?
It tastes very different.
Mm-hmm.
I have rice.
Sarap. Go.
From vloggers to mukbangers.
Gravy overload.
I'm excited for the palabok.
Chicken. Jesus.
It tastes the same or it tastes different?
Way different.
Really? Can I take them too?
And their gravy.
Oh.
Sarap, no?
For some reason, lasang Pinas.
Di ba?
I can't explain why. Pero lasang Pinas.
Sarap. Palabok.
I love it so much.
By the way, Shaina likes palabok. Wala nang palabok sa author.
Yeah. Because dati meron. Pero they removed it because apparently, isa sa mga main ingredients dito is yung parang baboy flakes and it's bawal.
Sarap.
Ew, spaghetti.
Favorite mo palabok?
Yeah. Sarap kumain. Oh my gosh.
Now let's try their spaghetti. Their spaghetti here is better, way better.
Oh, that felt good. Oh, that felt nice.
Like, they have a spaghetti na family size. Yung malaki. Nasa malaki na lagyan. Dati nag-order kami nun. I ate like 3/4 of it.
10.
Yeah. Because it's that good.
Meron din bang family size ng palabok?
Meron din yata eh. Let's try.
Different?
Sobra.
Really? Oh,
Diba?
that's very different.
Sarap ng Jollibee niya. Sarap ng spaghetti niya dito talaga. It's like the best. Like, walang, kahit tutong bahay, di nila mapantayan yung lasa ng spaghetti ng Jollibee. Wala pa matikman lutong bahay na kalasa ng Jollibee. Ito yung best spaghetti na tikman ko. Ever.
Even better than tita?
I'm so sorry, mama. Mahal na mahal kita, pero spaghetti talo ka muna ni Jollibee.
Fun fact,
Mm.
hindi na kinakain yung hotdog.
Tama nga pala.
Also
Spaghetti.
me, I don't eat the hotdog. Sometimes.
Spaghetti, hindi. Kaya tabi ko. Minsan nakakain ko accidentally. Pero, I prefer not to.
Oh, it's so sarap. Kulang sa calamansi daw. Oh yeah,
Mm.
pag mga pansit, tas palabok. Yung mga pagkain na dapat nilalagyan ng mga lemon or calamansi. Gusto ko lasang-lasa yung calamansi. Gusto ko lasang-lasa ko yung asin. Asin?
That one's nice. Okay.
Ang
Wings.
dami niya nang nauubos. Ako hirap na hirap ako sa isang serving ng palabok.
Hindi mo na ako matakaw, guys. Medyo lang.
Like,
Listen to the crisp.
hey, I want balat too.
Wait.
Oh, that was good.
I'll give you the wings, but you want?
Yeah. Jollibee delivery. Yun yun, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
You still have one more gravy.
No?
Okay.
I only put gravy sa rice.
Sarap.
Craving satisfied. Full, super full. I'll just save this for the dogs. Have you tried peach mango pie sa Qatar? That's the first time makatikim. You get the mini peach mango pie. Let's take a bite.
Okay.
Cheers.
Baby size. Cheers. Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
That's yummy. That's so good actually. So full. Where do you put the food?
That was so nice. Oh my goodness.
Ang food ko mo.
Ikaw?
Do you want me to get your sundae?
Yes, yung buko pandan lang.
Okay.
Matikman natin. Thank you, Dove. Let's try to finish China's peach mango pie.
Try to finish China's buko pandan.
Hmm?
Ay, buko pandan. Peach mango pie. You didn't even struggle.
Next. Next. The buko pandan sundae.
We will also
This-
try to finish this.
This is something na wala sa Qatar.
Yeah.
Buko pandan sundae, and I don't know how it tastes like, so we will know. We will see now.
Oh, there's
Oh, huh?
literal na buko.
We literally have buko pandan.
Don't be shy. Switch
On
to
a
the big
sundae.
spoon.
Yeah.
Don't be shy.
Kita ba? Yeah. Oh. Looks weird. Ang ina-expect ko kasi buko pandan syrup
Yeah, same.
on a
Nung
sundae.
nakita ko na green, akala ko parang may syrup
Akala
sila
ko
na
rin.
nilagay.
Pero nilagay niya. Alam mo, yung buko pandan talaga nilagay nila. Like yung literal na buko pandan. Mmm.
It's good.
Try mo. The flavor of buko pandan is,
Okay.
alam mo yun, parang ako makain ng buko pandan ice cream. No?
Ano to? Buko pandan?
Sundae.
Ice cream?
Sundae.
Sundae.
Did they, feeling ko sabi, vanilla ice cream tapos buko pandan. Pero kasi ang lakas ng
Lasa
lasa.
nung buko pandan. So yummy. But I'm full. Small bites.
Hindi ko na maubos, no? Rate this mukbang out of 10.
I'll rate it 8.5.
Wow. For me,
Hindi, 8.5 kasi they didn't have the ube cheese pie.
actually, which we expected to come kasi yung something, kasi we ordered things na wala sa Qatar. Just to try some new things na dito lang meron.
8.5 because hindi dumating yung ube cheese pie. They didn't have ube cheese pie actually. Na-disappoint ako sa size ng gravy. It's so tiny.
Hmm.
And then, well, yun lang naman.
For me,
Rounded up to 9.
9 out of 10 ako.
Yeah.
Dahil lang din sa same din sa ube cheese.
For everything else,
So good. Ayun, that was good. Good food.
you still have one more sundae, yung, ano yung chocolate na
Chocolate
lang?
lang yan ako.
That's so good. So full.
Kao,
Yeah.
that's good. Kumain eh. Okay guys, that's all for our Jollibee mukbang. Our cravings are satisfied.
Or midnight
Our
cravings.
not really midnight. It's already 3 a.m. So our 3 a.m. cravings are
Cravings.
satisfied. And ayun,
This is not the last mukbang.
For sure. We're always hungry, so expect more.
We're gonna try different fast food restaurants na meron dito.
Na wala sa Qatar.
Yeah.
Or if meron,
Or if meron dito and meron din
we'll
sa
try
Qatar.
stuff na meron sila na wala sa Qatar. Just to, para sulitin na namin yung bakasyon. Try new stuff. Okay guys, bye-bye.
Bye.